Yo! Yo, yo! Hey, what's up? I'm Brittany.
I'm Danielle.
So, you
Call
know,
me Jesus.
So, you know, this is like our first video. Number one.
It's gonna be
Top rated.
number one. Up to the top, all the way to the sprinkles, baby. I'm gonna
Hey!
Hold that thought. This man right here is my hubby. I love him. They're so cute together.
This. And this is mine. Mine. Property of Brittany.
Nick, if you're watching this, I just want to say I really love you and don't we make a good couple?
No. Yeah, I'm kidding.
I'm kidding. Like, my birthday's same date as yours, and mine's September 15th, yours is September 16th, and we both have curly hair. Well, well, my hair's not curly.
But the thing about
I
that
straightened it, but
is, you know, we straighten our hair, so.
because I don't really like curly, but
Me either. But, yeah, everybody says that we look like, because we're sisters, but, you know, I don't see the resemblance.
see? No.
No.
Anyway,
I have this girl. I know this girl. Her name is Haley Abel. And, you know, she is, like, totally amazing. Like, she's my best friend. And if you do anything to mess her up, like, you're gonna be dead. Yeah.
want to see my best friend? This girl right here is my best friend. Right there, Catherine McNary. Love her. Bestest friend a girl could ever have. Anyway,
Jessie Duchesne is amazing, too.
she's my bestie.
I love
What
her.
up, what up? Chris Duchesne. Yeah,
She's a nerd.
he's something else. Anyway,
We're
I'm just playing. He's cool, I guess. If you like to get punched in the leg. Anyway,
He's pretty cool. He's awesome.
yeah.
So we're gonna go now.
Wait, hold on. Meet Nicky Bear. This is my Nick Jonas Bear. I love him. Well, my cousin got it for me, Jessie Duchesne, for my birthday, because she knows how much I love Nick Jonas, so she got me a teddy bear that's named after him. Well,
This is my best friend right here. SpongeBob.
well, we have to go
Okay.
eat supper, so we'll make videos after.
Peace.
So, peace out. Love you.